How to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Edge 70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see second option is Connected Devices. Click on Connected Devices. After click on Connected Devices, click on Pair New Device and you will see, click on Connections Preference. After click on Connection Preference, you will see first option is Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. If you want to fix this problem, turn off Bluetooth mode and turn on Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side button and volume up button at that time. You will see click on restart. After click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. So after restarting, enter phone pin. But if it still not solved, click on settings and scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.